Oh, got a Mini Cooper coming over the double yellow line. Let's go give him a hand gesture or two. Cross right over this double yellow line. See the line? Why you cross? Why'd you cross? Get you on camera, dumbass. You see the line? Obviously don't care, and therefore I don't care either, so I'm gonna go slow right in front of you, slow you down. Those lanes are moving just fine. I really don't see a reason why you needed to jump in here. It's going to save you maybe a minute or two, depending on how long your commute is. So that's not good. If you like this video and want to see more like it, be sure to subscribe, hit that like, thumb up button. Leave me a comment if you don't like it. If you like it, if you got anything to say, I'm open to comments and concerns and input and feedback, whatever you want to call it. I'm open to it. So down below, be sure to leave me a comment or a little short reply, and I will try and respond to everybody. So thanks very much. Have a great day, and we'll catch in with you again soon. Later.